That creamy, rich peanut butter you spread every morning, how does it actually go from peanut to jar?
Today on Food Flavor, we reveal the full industrial process behind one of the world's most loved spreads.
From roasted peanuts to that smooth, perfect texture, this is how real peanut butter is made at scale. Whether creamy or crunchy, the process combines simple ingredients with precise engineering.
Get ready for a surprisingly satisfying factory journey full of rich aroma and texture.
Like and subscribe to Food Flavor if you love discovering how everyday favorites are made.
It all begins with high-quality peanuts delivered to the processing plant. Controlled heat develops the deep, nutty flavor we all recognize.
Roasting time and temperature are carefully monitored for consistency.
Proper roasting is the foundation of great-tasting peanut butter.
Reroute the coolant to the main chamber. Move it!
Cooling protects flavor and prepares them for skin removal.
Next comes blanching. The skins are gently removed.
The skins are collected and often used for other products.
Blanched peanuts are now ready for grinding.
The natural oils are released, creating a rich, smooth base. Additional refining creates the ultra-smooth texture of creamy peanut butter. For crunchy versions, larger peanut pieces are set aside and added later.
Pure ground peanut paste is the heart of the product.
A small amount of sugar is often included for taste.
Some recipes add a touch of vegetable oil for creaminess.
For crunchy peanut butter, chopped peanut pieces are folded in at this stage.
Filling is fast, precise, and hygienic.
jar is checked for correct weight and proper seal. The jars now look like the peanut butter you see on store shelves. From whole roasted peanuts to the creamy jar in your kitchen, this is how real peanut butter is made.
Next time you open a jar and spread that rich, nutty goodness, you'll know the simple yet precise process behind it.
One of the world's simplest and most satisfying foods, made with care at industrial scale.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, smash the like button, subscribe to Food Flavor, and tell us in the comments, which spread or snack should we reveal next?